This clip is about grains. Grains are an incredible source. They are so healthy. You want to flush all that cholesterol out of your system? Turn to your grains. My ex-sister-in-law used to take whole oatmeal, cook the oatmeal, rolled oatmeal. She would cook that with 7 grains, just the cracked grains, and make like a porridge in the morning, and then she would add jelly to it. It was really good and exceedingly good for you. Don't get the fast cooking rolled oats in the grocery store. I don't even like the ones that are non-fast cooking. I prefer to go to the health food store and buy the actual heavy rolled oats. You'll have to be careful. This is Texas, and in Texas your bugs are going to love them. Why do the bugs love grains? Because they're good for them, and they know that. So anything you can find that the bugs are into, you better be putting it in the refrigerator because it's really good for you. Take these whole oats, put them in water, soak them overnight, and you'll find that they'll cook really fast for you in the morning. You can also find them in your breakfast bars. They're wonderful that way. Half the time that's how I eat them. So you can also add your wheat germ, I think, in your grains. It's good for you, but you're going to have to buy it at the health food store, and they're going to have it in the refrigerator because it's going to go stale on you really, really fast. But it's worth the effort, and the taste, it's so much toastier and so much happier and healthier feeling once you eat it. You'll love it once you get used to it.